was going to try this under, and I forgot to put it on. Epic fail. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wagga Warrior, aka Julie, and today we will be comparing the January 2020 Ipsy Plus box against the Boxycharm box for the month of January. I recently did an unboxing, which you can check out somewhere, and I lean towards, or at least for the month of January, I preferred my Boxycharm over my Ipsy. I'm noticing a pattern where Ipsy isn't quite as good as it used to be, or I'm finding I'm enjoying my Boxycharm box much more. So let's do a side-by-side comparison. So this month we received this marble bag with some faux kind of pinkishy what color is it? Kind of a champagne neutral beige color. And the 5 products we received are a scrub, basically a physical exfoliator, a lip moisturizer, what do they call this? A clear lip treatment, a under eye moisturizer, a black liquid eyeliner, and a lipstick. So here are the 5 items. And I don't know if it's more personal preference, but of these 5 items, I've used 4 of the 5. I have not used this facial scrub yet, so I cannot speak to it. The only product I really like is the Purlisse is this a serum? Yes, eye serum. These other products I've used, they just, I don't know. I think I'm leaning towards Boxycharm because of the 5 products. I like 4 of the 5. And from Ipsy, I only really like 1 of the 5. Alright. So this is what we got in the January 2020 Boxycharm. I'm having a hard time holding all 5 products because they're a little larger. Okay, there we go. So we have a sleeping mask, Korean skincare, glow recipe. I'm sorry, the unboxing video I was pronouncing this as Gommage. It's Gommage, no R. And I have tried this once. It's very lovely. This type of product, you typically only use it 1 to 2 times a week. It is a physical exfoliant. This Dr. Brandt eye serum has retinol, so I only use this at night. A liquid lipstick and a concealer. So of these 5 products from Boxycharm, I enjoy 4 out of the 5. The lip, to be honest, I haven't even tried it yet, so we're going to try it. But when I swatched it, I had to, I used a makeup wipe, couldn't come off, washed my hands with soap and water, and it still lingered. So it kind of scares me if I don't like the color or the formula to put it on my lips, because I feel like I'm going to be stuck with it all day long. But I'm wearing very minimal makeup right now. I have mascara on and foundation. That's it, because I want to do a try on of these products. So the first thing I want to try on is from the Boxycharm, which is the Pretty Vulgar concealer. Okay, so I've zoomed in so we can see how this performs. And I have the color, the Little White Lies, Pretty White Lies, something White Lies. Okay. What's interesting is this doe foot is bent. By bent, it's, ooh, sorry, mirror. It's intentionally a different shape, which you typically would see in a liquid lip or like a lip gloss. However, it's kind of nice to press against the angle, I guess, is nice for under your eye. So I'm just going to take my finger, tap this in. I did not bring my foundation up underneath my eyelashes as I do on most days, because I really want to see the coverage that we get. And this is also more close to my skin tone and not lighter than my foundation, as one would normally expect in an under eye concealer. I'm going to take this on top of my eyelid a little to get rid of that discoloration. So we'll compare to this under eye versus this. The coverage is not very full. I would say it's light to lightish medium. Alright, let's put some on the other eye. I find it it's dewy, but for coverage, it's just, okay. Will I use it? You bet. But I don't often, how do I put this? I'm not a perfectionist with my concealer. I don't seek out for the most full coverage. As long as it doesn't dry out and add more wrinkles, I'm good. I'm good. Okay, so that is try on number 1. Let's zoom back out. Oh shoot! I was going to try this under, and I forgot to put it on. Epic fail. I do like this though. This is good. I'm not gonna put it on now that I've already put concealer in. But so we have +1 Ipsy, plus 0.75-ish Boxycharm. The next item that I'm going to try on is from the Ipsy box, which is a sugar liquid black eyeliner. This has a very fine tip. It's a little stiff. And it is very black. Is it my favorite? No. Is it the worst one I've ever used? No. It is okay. The problem, I don't want to say problem. The issue I have with these subscription boxes is it seems like the most repeated item we get is a liquid black eyeliner. I understand why they do black. Black is universal color. I'd guess 99% of people, when they use a liquid eyeliner, it's going to be black, so that's why they give it to us. It's just boring. Now, I do find it's really hard to get the cap back on. Okay, so we have liquid eyeliner on, concealer, and the last two products I'll be able to try on are both lips. Oh, third. We can use this kind of as a lip gloss because it's a clear, shiny lip treatment, and it smells and tastes sweet. Now, I have tried this. This is from the Ipsy bag. This is Nature's Cartel in the color 90s Nostalgia. But these colors are pretty similar. I found this to be a little bit dry. This one is kind of scaring me. So, and for a lip, it has the world's tiniest doe foot. It's almost, is this a sample size maybe? Alright, so since I've tried this before, I'm going to go in with the liquid one, and possibly if I don't like the color or application, I may top it with this other one, the Nature's Cartel. I don't like the color. It's in the bottle, and when I did a swatch, it seemed more kind of like a dusty rose, but on the lips, it's picking up more coral. And I don't care for that color. I only put it on my bottom lip. It's sticky. So what I'm going to do is actually put the other color on the top of my lip so you can see the difference between the shades, because they look pretty, well, let's just do it. I don't know if you noticed, I had to swipe 6, 7, 8 times to get any kind of color payoff. I just don't find it the most gliding, smooth. The formula seems dry to me. Let me zoom in so you can see the color difference. They're similar, but they are different. I don't like the stickiness. I don't care for the stickiness of the Manna Kadar. This one here. Not my favorite color. A little sticky. Okay, so I'm going to put some of the Nature's Cartel on the bottom to see if it reduces the stickiness and kind of matches the color from above. And the last thing I'll be able to try on is the Hanalei lip treatment in clear. This is nice. What kind of disappointed me is it's literally like the consistency of Vaseline or petroleum jelly. That's scented, flavored, but in a beauty subscription box, I don't need to get a product like this. Okay, so I have a little bit on my finger. If you can see that. And I'm just gonna put some on my lips. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but it added quite a bit of shine. And moisture. Okay, so my final thoughts. I think the lip is looking much nicer with adding the lip treatment on top. The lip products on their own, the Nature's Cartel is dry in my opinion. The Manna Kadar is sticky, and the color on its own is not my favorite for my skin tone, hair color, etc. I'm sure there are people out there who are just in love with it. Will I reach for it? To be honest, probably not. Will I use it again? I may use it again. It seems to be better when you mix it with a gloss or a something shiny, which also helps to reduce the stickiness. All right, so there we go. This is merely a side-by-side comparison between the January Ipsy and the January Boxycharm. I'm still sticking with my original review, which is I prefer the Boxycharm this month. What are your thoughts? Do you get both Ipsy and Boxycharm? Do you have a preference? Comment below. Like, subscribe, click the bell to be notified for additional videos I post, and have a fantastic day. Thank you again for stopping by my channel. I'm a very new channel, and I appreciate every one of you who's actually taken the time to watch my videos. So, see you next time.